Coaxis is laser focused on RF cable assemblies. We have about the fastest delivery in the industry. We're focused on small diameter, inside the box, and on the bench solutions. We're a woman-owned small business. Everything is made in the USA. As I said, inside the box, as you can see here, we specialize in small diameter, high frequency, compact design, semi-rigid, hand formable, flexible, in 50 ohm and 75 ohm, which is actually where we got our start. Low loss, blind mate, RF contacts, and value added. Heck, we can do everything. On the bench for testing, VNA assemblies, which are really low cost and competitive. DC to 67 gigahertz. For now, we're already looking at higher frequencies. Armored assemblies, phase stable versus flexure, phase stable versus temperature, phase matched, delay matched, and most notably our whiplash feature, which is a great design as you see right here, which utilizes no strain relief. This is a great summary by way of a picture that shows you some of the different things we can do inside a box and on the bench. Open up further. You have a handy reference here with our capabilities statement. What we do, the type of cables we offer, and what we tend to keep in stock: 047, 086, 08675, K-Flex 141, and our low loss and phase stable options. These are in stock and ready to put connectors on. Semi-rigid, we get all of our semi-rigid from Microcoax, who happens to be down the street, and we keep these in stock and ready to go. Hand formable, this is a really low cost option. I don't love it because it's not always great for high frequency, but the tin plated aluminum is hand formable and will perform up to 67 gigahertz at 086 diameter. We also have low and high impedance cables that we're using for pigtails, ballons, and a number of other things that we're doing. Common flexible for crimped assemblies, MIL DTL 17 and these RG cables, including LMR 100 and 195. These are the connector series that we keep in stock. Just because it's not on this list doesn't mean we can't do it. Most notably, look at some of these. We have our own Combo D RF contacts that are good to 67 gigahertz. Size 12 contacts, both SMPM and equivalent to times microwave. V to 67 for backplane applications on VPS. We've even come up with our own coaxial splice to splice from 047 to 086 and these other diameters. There's nothing like that on the industry. Then you get to value added. This is phase delay, attenuation match, electronic printed data, marking, value-added features, harnesses, any number of things that you might need. This is a really handy reference for you, a really handy reference for your customers. Flip over to the back. We can start talking about applications. It's a great place to take notes, and don't forget, web orders ship ready 48. That means up to 50 pieces combined shipped in 2 business days. You won't find that anywhere else in the world.